Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be making a quick tutorial of Vroid with adding a background. This one is actually for mostly just for picture preferences. You know, like if you're using a comic style or manga type of how would we say animation, design, art, or a few other else. It's actually a different way of doing it. I'm unaware if it actually has been already there. That feature has been already installed, or if this is new in the version 13.2. Either way, we just head to camera/explorer. Now it should be the second on your left side. It says background. By default it's gonna be, this type of gray. It happens. You can actually just change the color like if you were painting, so it's fine like that. It could be more simple. However, when you're gonna import a background image, it's best advised to play a little bit with the general editor and focus with the outline. You'll see why soon enough. In my case, I'll leave it in 0.18. It's just enough to actually see the background. Sorry, outline. So now, you select the background image, and it's basically like a texture. Find a texture to avoid confusion. Your design, and just add it. Yes, I've actually selected this image or texture to say image. If you've been one of the first subscribers, you already know where I get this one from. For those of you who haven't, at the end of the video I'll be making a link to that video, which is called Import and Export Clothing Texture, Clothing Editor. I'll even place it on the link below this video as well. So you see now why I played with the outline. You can actually see like a little bit of a dark line all around the character. This is why, because you can actually see the separation from the character with the background. Now you'll see what happens when there isn't any outline with. See? There's barely anything. But to make it more noticeable, now, see? Now it looks more like a comic type of animation or character, whichever you like to be naming it. And the rest will be like posing an animation. Here's the capture. It's basically for, taking a picture. This is a fancy word of saying it. And if it's an animation, you just hit stop and it will actually stop it. I'll get you. See? It stops right in there. So now I'll make another small video of this in another time. And that should be all for this video. You know what to do. That's it right there. And I'll be seeing you in the next video.